It's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! My circle is too small. It's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes to get this snow melted and up to a boil. It's time to make some food. Got some beef bouillon cubes, a little bit of salt. A beautiful lamb stew. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. Good. Now, I know a lot of you guys see this and wonder if that's going to attract animals. Animals are not a problem here. There's no animals in these woods. The snow's too deep. This deep snow is hard to walk in. It buries all the food. Any animals that aren't hibernating, they're down in the valley, not up here in the mountain.